my channel, Lilibet Day channel. And today's I'm here in my porch and I feel the ambience. No typhoon, no flood. Okay, so this is the right weather for me to stay in my porch. And I would like also to share with you guys what I got online because I'm very particular when it comes to my snacks. So this is very trending, and if you can notice guys, if you have Facebook, they always show this on the Facebook page that this is tastes good and healthy. So let's see. So today I have fruits and vegetable snacks. So this is very affordable, and I ordered this online, and I got two. Okay, so are you ready, guys? So let's do. Okay, so this is my fruits and vegetable crisp snack. Okay, so there's 12 different type of vegetable and fruits that they combine. So this is 250 milligram. So this is 500. So I bought this two because I can see that the small is not really enough. If it tastes good, why not order two? So I ordered two. So the price of this is 339 pesos, free delivery, because my style is I go to buy now so that they will not charge for delivery charge. So I got this free delivery for buy me now. Unlike if you put on your add to cart, they will charge delivery for this. So usually it depends how far is your place, 38 pesos or 40 pesos. So I'm so excited to try this. Which vegetable or fruit is good and looks good, guys. Okay, so I'm not really into the, they just repack, because I'm not really sure about that. So I want in the jar or on the plastic container and then seal. Okay, so that's one thing, guys. If you buy some fruits or vegetable snacks online, make sure that you bought like this, not on the like look like Ziploc, because it depends how they pack, but me, I prefer this. Okay, so when I order this, just like when you go on the buy now, just 2 days. Okay, it won't stay long, but if you're gonna go to the on your cart, it takes 4 days or to 1 week. So are you ready, guys? So I'm so excited. So let me open which one is better. Okay, 12 in one. Okay, so we have okra, cucumber, carrots, squash, what else, tomato, banana. But anyway, let me open this, guys. The jar, it's cute. Oh, by the way, guys, mega love shout out to all my members, my new subscribers who subscribed my channel, and to all my new viewers, supporters. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, mega love shout out to my brother, MP. Thank you so much, MP. Okay, see, it's sealed. I don't have nails because I cut my nails. Let me check the other one. It's really sealed, guys. Oh. Okay. Okay, so first taste is banana. I'm so excited, guys. Sweet. Excuse me. The banana has a chewy texture. Okay, but it's good. You really enjoy, the sweet, natural sweet of banana. And then carrot. Crispy. The banana 10 out of 10 is just like, for me, 8 because, the chewy. But, the carrot, 10 out of 10. This is jackfruit. Okay. Ten out of 10. It's good, guys. Red bit. 10 out of 10. Okra. Again. The okra is good, crispy, natural sweet of okra, but it's same, guys. There's a slimy taste. Jujube, in Korean, jujube, dates. Chewy. 10 out of 10. This is 5. No, 5. I don't know what's this. I have no idea. What is this? How many fruits I got, guys? I never. Oh, this is potato. I will try this. I don't know. This is red bit. Radish. It's good. But guys, the radish has a bitter taste, but not really bitter. So 10 out of 10, I'm gonna give this 7.5. Not bad. What is this? I don't know. It tastes like mushroom. Yeah. Tastes like mushroom. I want to try the zucchini. This is the zucchini, guys, but it's so small. I like the zucchini. Good. Yeah, the banana is kind of a chewy, but zucchini, carrot, potato, mushroom, radish, okra is good. Yeah, it's worth it, the price, guys. It's good. So the jujube and the banana, the same texture, guys. It's kind of a chewy. It's not crispy. This one. But for these people that you have weak teeth, don't eat this because you might break your teeth or what. And then if you're wearing weak denture, you have to be slowly to bite and chew. Not bad. I like it. I think this is potato. Yeah, potato. Natural taste, no MSG, um, no sugar. It's good. I like it. So that's all, guys. So I just decided to share how does it taste because this is the first time I try this kind of vegetable and fruit snacks, but it's good. It's really good. The only fruit that I mentioned, the banana and the jujube or dates, it's kind of a chewy, but it's still good. But the rest is good. Yeah. One banana. What I like, I like the taste of banana. It's not, you really taste the natural. But the chewy part, it's not really, you don't really have fun, to. But overall, excellent. Mm. Masarap, guys. So this is perfect snack for those really avoid excuse me, guys. It's stick on my teeth. So this is a good snack for those avoid themselves, take a lot of sugar on their body. This is good snack. Okay, it's not artificial flavor or what. It's natural fruits and vegetable that they made for this. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you so much for joining with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Live It Day channel. Give me a like, comment, and you can share also my video to others, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're always notified. Thank you. Bye.